हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल द अग्रवाल सिस्टर्स। तो आज का मेरा टॉपिक है माय डेली रूटीन। काव्या का डेली रूटीन तो हो चुका है, तो अब मेरी बारी। तो अभी बज रहे हैं रात के 12:05 और मैं 1-1:30 बजे तक तो जागती हूँ, तो अभी तो मेरे लिए कुछ भी नहीं है। लेकिन आज मुझे जल्दी सोना पड़ा बिकॉज़ मेरा सुबह पहले स्विमिंग है, जिसका मैं व्लॉग में पार्ट डालूँगी। तो मैं बस यही बोलना चाहती हूँ कि अभी तक मैं लैपटॉप देख रही थी बिकॉज़ मेरा रात को 9 से 12 लैपटॉप टाइम होता है। नॉट एवरी डे, राइट नाउ आई एम इन क्लास 12, तो मेरा बीच बीच में प्रोजेक्ट्स भी हो जाते हैं जब बहुत ज़्यादा होता है एंड सबमिशन डेट इज़ नॉकिंग द डोर। तो कल कोई प्रोजेक्ट सबमिशन नहीं है, तो इसलिए आज मैं लैपटॉप देख रही थी। तो अभी मैंने लैपटॉप बंद किया और अब मैं फ्रेश होने जा रही हूँ, ब्रश वगैरह एंड ऑल। सो व्हेन आई गो टू बेड आई मीट यू ऑल अगेन। So guys, I'm going to sleep now. Meet you all in the morning at around 7:45. Good morning everyone. It's 8:45, but I said you all at the night that I'll be swimming this time, but I had to cancel it because I had this surprise tuition which ma'am decided to take all of a sudden. So I'll just show you guys. Here's the laptop, here's my notebook, and that's me. So now I'll see you all after I get ready. I mean, I take a bath and I'll show you what I dressed into, and I'll show you all my breakfast once I start having my breakfast. So I'm ready and I'll show you guys how I look like. And that's this. That's the whole look. It's a white and yellow shirt with strips, and neath it's a Prussian blue jeans. So now I'll meet you guys at my breakfast table. Here's the breakfast. Kavya. It's 10:30 and after breakfast my second tuition is going on. As you all can hear the sound in the background, and I'll show you guys how the tuition goes on. Here's the laptop, here's my notebook, and this is the accounts tuition which is going on, and that's me again. ट्यूशन 2 ख़त्म हुआ तो ट्यूशन 3, मतलब व्हाट डू आई से, आई हैव नो वर्ड्स। इट्स 11:15। मेरा एक ट्यूशन था मॉर्निंग 7:30 to 8:30, दूसरा था 10 to 11 और तीसरा था 11 to 12। मतलब सेकेंड और थर्ड तो एकदम बैक टू बैक था। आई गॉट नो टाइम टू ब्रीद। इनफैक्ट आई जॉइन माई थर्ड ट्यूशन ऑफ द डे 5 minutes late because of my second tuition going on late. I'll show you guys how it looks like again. Tuition, economics and BST tuition. This is my accounts book still open, like I did not even close, I was so lazy. And that's me who is very tired. तो अब जाके ट्यूशन्स ख़त्म हुआ सुबह से एंड आई एम रिलीव्ड कि मेरा सैटरडे का तीनों ट्यूशन ख़त्म हो चुका है। मेरा वैसे एक ट्यूशन शाम को होता था, बट देन मैम तो इसका एक एडवांटेज भी था कि शाम को मैं फ्री, एंड एक डिसएडवांटेज ऑल्सो दैट आई हैड टू रूइन माई स्लीप। बट एनीवे, अब जब मैं कुछ नेक्स्ट करती हूँ, कुछ नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी, अब वट एवर लाइक आई चेंज माई एक्टिविटी बिकॉज डेली रूटीन है तो मुझे सबका दिखाना पड़ेगा। देन आई मीट यू गाइस अगेन। So it's 2:15 now and my lunch is done. Sorry I was not able to show my lunch plate because there were many guests today in my home, like 8 to 10 people were there, so I was feeling a little awkward in front of them. And when I last shot was I guess around 12:15 after my third and the final tuition of the day got over. And even before lunch, you guys must be thinking, what did I do? So I was doing nothing because after 3 tuitions I got very tired, so I was just sitting and using my phone, using Instagram, chatting with friends on WhatsApp. So that was nothing to be showed off. And after that lunch, and I'm here right now telling you all what I did in these 2 hours. Now whatever I do next, I'll update you guys about it. So it's 3:30 now and I'm in my school. 4 o'clock I have my dance class, but I have come half an hour early because today we have some programs over here. So I'm just here to participate in that and organize as well. So meet you all when I'm in my next activity. And now I'm back to my house. It's 6:30. Last time when I shot it was 3:30 and I was in my school. I did not shoot anything for 3 hours because I was in my school only. Pehle 1 hour I had my dance class, then 2 hours, as I said, the programs were going on, so I was indulged in that. And now I'm back. I'm very tired after a hectic day. First half went in tuitions and studies, second half in extracurriculum activities. Now I think I'm very lazy and lethargic. Even my eyes are paining, so I think I'll sleep for some time, then wake up again and have dinner. So I'll show you guys my dinner plate, and then whatever just happens, I'll keep you guys updating. So it's 7 now and I'm having my snacks. When I came home around 6:30, I was feeling very low, but then I'm feeling much better now. I don't know why was I feeling low. I was tired or something else, but then my mood swings are very difficult for me myself to tolerate. How will others tolerate? I don't know. And I'll show you guys how my snacks plate looks like. It's this rasmalai and pakode. Rasmalai is my absolute favorite. I just love it. So it's 9 o'clock and my dinner is done. And in dinner I had biryani. And right now I'm sitting in my room and Kavya is also there with me, always busy in her phone. अच्छा
गाइस तो अभी सी आधी 10 मिनट का पावर नैप ले रही है। वो सुबह बहुत जल्दी उठ गई थी अराउंड 7:30 क्योंकि उनका ट्यूशन था। पहली बार ही ऐसा हुआ है कि ट्यूशन की वजह से वो उठी नहीं, तो एक नंबर की आलसी है, इसलिए वो थोड़ी देर सोएगी, उसके बाद आपको मिलेगी।
Hey, so it's 11:50 and after dinner I literally did not do anything. I slept for half an hour and as you guys could see, Kavya shot a clip. I did not even get to know I was in such a deep sleep. Like I am so weak at my sleep that even if a door opens, my sleep just gets opened. But that time I was in a deep sleep and I did not get to know. And right now, since like 9:30 and it's 11:50 right now, so like since 2 hours 20 minutes, I'm watching Big Boss. As today Big Boss's new season has started, season 15. And just for kind of information to everybody, I love Big Boss. I'm a diehard Big Boss fan. Many people do not like it, and uh, they feel awkward for the people who watch it. But then I'm absolutely okay with it because I love it, and I'll show you guys the glimpse of how my current surrounding looks like. So so here's the TV and ad is going on right now. So I'm waiting for the last episode to come, most probably of today. And that's the hall. And you guys can see me in the mirror. Yo. So the day is over now. In fact, more than the day, it's 12 past 17. And my daily vlog was all about this. I missed few activities like I sing in a day, I go for swimming, then I have online classes, which was obviously not done today because I shot on a Sunday. So all these 3 to 4 things are missing. I look like this right now. My sleeping attire is almost like this, half pants and t-shirts, and my bed is also ready. My side, Kavya is sleeping over there, the red blanket one. She's already in a deep sleep, and yeah, all I wanted to say was hope you guys liked my video. If you like my video, then do press the thumbs up button, do comment, share as much as possible, and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and do not forget to press the bell button also to get notified each time for such amazing and interesting and comedy videos. So bye, hope to meet you next week, and good night.